Welcome to this video for category 11, and this one is going to act as kind of a bonus category, and I'll explain why in just a few seconds. So we're looking at words ending in S-I-O-N, and there are about 80 useful words in this category that we can apply the conversion rule to. So an example word would be confession, as you see here, ending in S-I-O-N. Now the key to unlock all of these is that you simply put an accent over the O. So you're going to hit the ending with your pronunciation. It's really just a question of pronunciation to convert everything in this category. For example, confession would go to confesión. So I simply had an accent over the O, and I kind of accented that in my pronunciation. Now I mentioned before how this was a bonus category because if you remember back in category 4, we were exchanging words that were ending in T-I-O-N to sion. And this one is very, very similar, category 11, right, with S-I-O-N. So they're more or less sister categories. Let's get started now with some real life examples. Here's another word ending in S-I-O-N, occasion. So remembering that confession went to confesión, try to say occasion in Spanish. Ocasión. Passion, pasión. Mission, misión. Tension, tensión. The word for here in Spanish is aquí. Notice we have an accent over the I. So don't pronounce it as aquí, but make sure it's aquí with the hit on the ending. So knowing that, try to say there's a lot of tension here. For the phrase a lot of, use the word mucha. Hay mucha tensión aquí. So let's break it down. First of all, we have hay, which means there is or there are. And then we have mucha, meaning a lot of. Now, the reason we're ending it in A instead of an O, mucho, is because all these words ending in S-I-O-N are feminine words. So the tension would be la tensión, or a tension would be una tensión. So for that reason, we say mucha instead of mucho, because Spanish, as you'll see more and more, always takes every opportunity it can to match everything in agreement. So because this word is feminine, it says mucha here. So we have hay mucha tensión. There's a lot of tension. And then the word for here is aquí. How about it's my profession? Es mi profesión. Try to say decision in Spanish. Decisión. Conclusion. Conclusión. Aggression. Agresión. Pension. Pensión. It's good to know that all the words in this category are feminine, so la or una for the or a. Knowing that, how do you think you would say the television? La televisión. What about a mansion? Una mansión. As you can probably notice, we're picking up the pace a little bit faster now through this second half of categories. The main thing to remember with this category is that it's really a kind of a twin or a sister category to that of number 4. They have very much the same sound and the same accent onto the end of the word, and so they're really, really closely connected together. Basically, if you can do one, you should be able to do the other without any problems. The most important thing to recognize is that anytime you have that kind of ION ending, very often in Spanish, that will go to the sion sound. For example, mansion, mansión, and we're always hitting an accent over the O at the end. Now, remembering that is all you need to convert all of those words into perfect Spanish straight away.